In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. As you can see, smart typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. You can also tap on the chosen one and manage it from here. When you're finished with all of those, scroll down to tap on more typing options and operate all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!